blockchain structure and cryptocurrency prices. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will talk about cryptocurrency traders, pioneers or risk seekers. Before we get started, don't forget like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin, BTC, presented by an unknown element known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, is the world's previously decentralized digital money. Working on a shared organization utilizing blockchain innovation, Bitcoin empowers secure and straightforward exchanges without the requirement for go-betweens like banks or states. With a proper stock covered at 21 million coins, Bitcoin is deflationary naturally, making it a famous store of significant worth and a fence against expansion. Its decentralized nature and restricted supply add to its versatility and allure as a computerized gold. As the trailblazer of the digital currency transformation, Bitcoin keeps on forming the eventual fate of money and rethinking the idea of cash. Ethereum, ETH, Ethereum, ETH, made by Vitalik Buterin and sent off in 2015, is a decentralized blockchain stage that empowers the improvement of shrewd agreements and decentralized applications, dApps. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't exclusively a computerized money but instead a programmable stage for building and executing shrewd agreements, which are self-executing concurrences with predefined rules. ETH, is the local cryptographic money of the Ethereum organization and is utilized to fuel exchanges and pay for computational administrations. With its vigorous environment, Ethereum has turned into a center point for development in decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other blockchain applications, molding the fate of the decentralized web. Binance Coin, BNB, Binance Coin, BNB, presented by the digital currency trade. Finance in 2007 fills in as the local badge of the Binance biological system. At first sent off as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, BNB has since relocated to Binance's exclusive blockchain, Finance Savvy Chain, BSC. BNB offers different utilities inside the money stage, including limited exchanging expenses, support in symbolic deals, and installment for labor and products. With its developing utility and inescapable reception, BNB has arisen as one of the main digital forms of money, filling in as a mainstay of the Binance environment and working with consistent exchanges and cooperations inside the more extensive crypto local area. Solana, SOL. Solana, SOL, sent off in 2020, is a superior presentation blockchain stage intended to help decentralized applications, dApps, and versatile blockchain arrangements. With its remarkable agreement component, verification of history, POH, Solana accomplishes high throughput and low inertness, handling large numbers of exchanges each second. This versatility makes Solana reasonable for many applications, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and then some. As one of the quickest developing blockchain environments, Solana has earned critical consideration and reception inside the crypto local area, situating itself as a main competitor in the race for blockchain versatility and development. Cardano, ADA. Cardano, ADA, established by Charles Hoskinson and sent off in 2017, is a decentralized blockchain stage that plans to give a safe and versatile framework for the improvement of savvy contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Based on peer-explored scholarly exploration and a thorough improvement process, Cardano separates itself with its emphasis on supportability, interoperability, and versatility. Cardano's multi-layer architecture and consensus mechanism, Ouroboros, make it suitable for a wide range of use cases, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, supply chain management, and identity verification. It also offers high transaction throughput and security. As a trailblazer in blockchain development, Cardano keeps on pushing the limits of what's conceivable in decentralized innovation. Torrential Slide, AVAX. Torrential Slide, AVAX, sent off in 2020, is a decentralized blockchain stage intended to give quick, productive, and exceptionally versatile organization framework for building decentralized applications, dApps, and custom blockchain networks. With its agreement convention, Torrential Slide accomplishes high throughput and close-moment exchange conclusiveness, making it ideal for applications requiring elite execution and low idleness. Torrential Slide's exceptional engineering takes into consideration the making of custom blockchain networks custom-fitted to explicit use cases, like decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, and production network, the board. As one of the quickest developing blockchain environments, Torrential Slide has drawn in critical consideration and reception, situating itself as a main stage for decentralized development and improvement. TAI USDT. TAI USDT, presented in 2014, is a sort of digital money known as a stablecoin, intended to keep a steady worth by fixing it to a government-issued money, commonly the US dollar, at a 1.1 proportion. As one of the most generally utilized stablecoins in the digital currency market, TAI gives a solid method for moving worth across blockchain networks while moderating the unpredictability usually connected with other digital forms of money. TAI's broad reception across different digital money trades and stages goes with it. A famous decision for merchants looking for soundness and liquidity, working with consistent exchanges and saving the worth of their resources in unpredictable economic situations. XRP, 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 made by Wave Labs in 2012, is a computerized resource and digital currency intended for working with quick and savvy cross-line installments. XRP is a highly effective solution for financial institutions and remittance companies because it operates on a centralized network managed by Ripple, in contrast to conventional cryptocurrencies. Ripple's XRP ledger, with its consensus algorithm, can process transactions in a matter of seconds, which is a significant improvement over conventional payment methods. Beyond remittances, XRP has applications in asset tokenization and decentralized finance, DeFi. Regardless of administrative difficulties, XRP stays a central member in the cryptographic money market, filling in as an extension between conventional money and the computerized economy. Polkadot Spot. Polkadot Spot, established by Dr. Gavin Wood, fellow benefactor of Ethereum, is a cutting-edge blockchain stage intended to work with interoperability and versatility across various blockchains. Sent off in 2020, Polkadot empowers the production of interconnected and concentrated blockchain networks, known as parachains, that can convey and share data consistently. With its one-of-a-kind engineering and agreement system, Polkadot offers high throughput, security, and administration adaptability, making it reasonable for a large number of decentralized applications, dApps, and use cases. As a trailblazer in the field of blockchain interoperability, Polkadot is ready to assume a crucial part in forming the eventual fate of decentralized innovation and the web overall. Dr. Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum, established Litecoin, LTC, Polkadot, DOT, a next-generation blockchain platform that aims to facilitate interoperability and scalability among various blockchains. Polkadot, which will go live in 2020, makes it possible to create parachains, specialized interconnected blockchain networks that can seamlessly share and communicate information, that are known as parachains. With its interesting design and agreement component, Polkadot offers high throughput, security, and administration adaptability, making it reasonable for a large number of decentralized applications, dApps, and use cases. As a trailblazer in the field of blockchain interoperability, Polkadot is ready to assume a vital part in molding the fate of decentralized innovation and the web in general. Thanks for joining our journey into blockchain structure and cryptocurrency prices. Remember to hit that like button, share them with your friends, and subscribe for more high-flying content.